Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface with the curve here. So it's very simple, and you just issue the command unfold surf, hit enter, and then you select the surface, and then you hit enter, and then you select the curve here. So this is this this curve here, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then you hit enter, and that's it. So, and then you have the the unfolded curve here on this surface here. So, and you can choose how many you want to unfold the surface. Certainly, the curve must be on the surface, and otherwise doesn't make any sense here. So on the 3D model surface. That's for today. Thank you. Bye.